Hello, and thank you for joining me on another one of my adventure travel series videos. For those of you who don't know me, my name is Dmitry and I'm an American expat living in the Philippines. If you find this video entertaining, please make sure to like and subscribe to my channel. And now sit back, relax, and enjoy as I take you on an exciting adventure of the Timelapse Traveler. Hello everybody, this is a very special video that I'm going to be making. Today we're actually on our first trip this whole year pretty much. Well, since the pandemic started at least. We're leaving Manila, Metro Manila, our beautiful home here in BGC for the weekend, and we're going to Tagaytay. Mom is driving us, Dad is already there, and yeah, we're going to be spending the weekend. Right now this is early morning Saturday, and we're just going to be heading back home to Manila on Monday morning. So this should be a really nice fun weekend, and I'll give you an update once we're further on the road or once we're already there. And so, welcome to our home away from home here in Tagaytay. This is a little farmhouse that's been kind of like a work in progress for quite a while already. And there's still some more work to be done because this is more of a house as a backdrop for the farm over here. Farming actually has been kind of slow here lately, but there used to be some awesome pineapples grown over here. And now there are also some other vegetables that are being grown as well. In fact, my mom has been really helping out with that. As you can see, we have goat, a billy goat, mama goat, two kids over there running around, screaming at each other, and everybody who comes close by. The loudest residents here, though, of course, have to be the roosters. Ay, nako, those roosters. Yeah, those guys, all 7 of them, are sure to keep us up at night. Me, definitely. Yeah, there's Vincent, who actually lives over here. Hey, Vincent. Yeah, these roosters are beautiful creatures, but boy, are they loud. Wow, look at that. That's funny. We have some more crops over here. And there's a cat over there as well, sleeping. Oh, look at these little puppies. So cute. Is it sleeping? Is it dead? Meow. Meow. And another rooster on the other side of the farm for some stereo effect. And another one here. That's right. You loud thing, you. My mom actually contributed some seeds over here to be grown. And right now there's cucumber and arugula. Courtesy of my mom. Send the seeds over from New York. And let's look inside, shall we? There's Dad making plans for the construction, I guess. There's my sweetheart, Khrys. Hi. Our kitchen area, partially over here. The other part is out here. Hey, Mom. Our bathroom is really cool. Really love the design. Nice tiles. And our bedroom is right here. It does have one proper room, which is good. Yep, this is where Khrys and I are going to be spending in the next couple of nights. We spent some nights here before, but Never 2 nights in a row, actually. This will be the first for us. There's also an upstairs section. We slept there as well before. More spacious, but not quite as convenient. We had some really grand plans to convert this indoor space into like a makeshift movie theater. Maybe we'll still do that someday. And to round it off, there's even a balcony or two. Such a nice, pleasant atmosphere. Clean, fresh air. So awesome to be able to just step outside and breathe fresh air without having to wear a mask all the time and get some peace and quiet for a change. Well, at least from the hustle and bustle of the city. So yeah, this is where we're spending the weekend, and I'll get back to you when there's something else to show. And so it's now lunchtime. We're going to be taking a little break over here with this wonderful looking meal. That looks good, especially this part right here.
It's barbecue.
All right, let's eat. Merry Christmas, ho ho ho. Thermometer. It's not even hitting 80 degrees right now. Nice. Nice, cool, breezy, and sunny day. So at 7 o'clock in the evening, the roosters are fast asleep. They're just taking a beautiful, sweet, tender, gentle nap at 7 o'clock in the evening. They're just relaxing, right? Right? You're not doing anything, right? Not bothering anybody because it's only 7 o'clock in the evening. Cock-a-doodle-doo! Right? Right? Ooh, how I don't like these things. What time do they go to sleep? Around like what, 6 o'clock?
9, 8, oh yes, maybe 6.
6 o'clock.
Eating,
Right.
go to the
Aww, that's so nice. Aww, gentle, sweet sleep. At 6 o'clock, these roosters go to sleep, and then they wake up around 3 o'clock at night, and then they start their bullshit. I know. 3 to 5 o'clock at night, they start waking up. And then they figure, yeah, nobody else needs to sleep anymore at that time. If they're awake, everybody else can be awake, right? Yeah, sleeping, chilling, relaxing. Nobody bothers it, right? Yeah, You're just gonna sit there. What are you gonna be doing 4 hours from now? What are you gonna be doing? Gonna be driving me crazy, right? Yeah, I know you. I've seen you before. I heard you do your thing. Yeah, these roosters. Tonight and tomorrow night, it's gonna be a night, that's for sure. These are so beautiful. Look at that. Look at those beautiful gray little puppies. Aw, so adorable. Really cute little puppies. Hey, puppies. It is time for me to go have dinner, and then short after that, hopefully I'm going to try to get some sleep, because if I don't get some sleep now, I know for sure I'm not getting sleep later. So that's just how it goes here.
Did you disturb the rooster?
A little bit. Not as much as I should have. Table's all set and ready, and we're going to be having dinner in just a little while. Ooh, wow, that looks good. Chicken and pork, and some more chicken, and some more rice. And some more rice here, and a little bit of salad. So that's going to be our dinner, and let's get down to the table and eat. So dinner's over, and the plan will be to beat the Roosters at their own game tonight. Going to try to get some sleep right now, even though it's way too early. It's barely past 7 o'clock right now. Just finished having dinner, but I'll be able to at least catch up on some sleep now, because then later in the middle of the night, these I have no good words to call these things. These roosters are going to be putting up a havoc with their noises in the middle of the night. In the meantime, I'm going to close out the video right here. Hope you enjoyed this one. Please click like if you enjoyed this video. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Click on the bell notification and you'll keep getting notified of the upcoming videos coming at you from the Timelapse Traveler. Gecko is gonna feast. Do it. Oh no, you're just trying to write